Tia.
Hi, Tia.
Guys, request the box, guys.
Lily.
Let's go, guys. Good evening to everyone. Sunod. Tonight, enjoy the stay on my own. I feel like a ticket I want. I can't sweat and drink that to have. Oh, man, the time you first took us about me. You looked at me as you went a grin, and suddenly I made up my mind. Oh, by the look in your eyes, I feel a surprise. The time you went so low on out. I'm standing alone, feeling so warm. Was I always swift to another world? Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her. Fixed another world. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind what's left another world. Guys, you guys are back, guys. Let's go, family. It means the difference in walking a bit. 'Cause from the way you change your mind, I just cannot figure it out. Oh, and I minute must divided. Is that searching for the reason? They say to me I get in my blood. Ever, but the look in your eye, baby, and you were surprised. The time that we are all over now. I'm standing alone, to me it's so warm. We suddenly reach to another world. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll live tonight away, baby. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll live tonight away. Never mind her, never mind. We'll live tonight away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll live tonight away. Welcome, guys. Welcome to everyone. Hi, boss baby. Hi, Mitch. Welcome. Thank you, Vicky. Nakakatuwa yung ano na yun, yung tanong na yun. Ang barbarito.
Amoy eggplant.
Okay, right. Thank you.
It's a big eggplant.
Have a nice day. bakit kasi may talong?
Oh my, it's a big eggplant.
Tapos yung talong gumaganon-ganon. Ano yun?
Oh, what? Hello, everyone. Hi, boys, David, Mitch, and everyone.
Why they put that eggplant?
Walastik ang talong na yan. Gusto ko yung kakaibang talong.
Ano ba gusto mong talong yung tostado?
Yung tostado, yung tutong.
Ay, ayoko nun. Maitim yun. Pati itlog nun maitim.
Ayoko rin ng tutong. Ayoko, hindi ko yung makikita.
Gusto ko yung makinis.
Ay, gusto ko yung
Ano ba
pink.
Ay, pink ang gusto mo. Gusto ko yung mamula-mula.
Yes.
Sis Mitch, paka-explain na lang kay Boss David yun. Paka-explain.
Sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go.
Oh my God, anong nangyayari?
Anong gusto
Dahil
mo,
sa
Boss Aba?
Kasi naman yung
Kasi may
talong na
tanong
yan.
na-give.
Dahil sa talong, oh my God.
Thank you, Mitch.
Hindi na makakanta si Sweetie ng dahil sa talong.
Hindi kami makikita over doon sa talong, guys.
Ulala.
Okay, guys, let's go na.
Okay, go,
Hoy,
go, go.
request the box, guys.
Hindi mauubos yung tawa natin kasi eh.
Kasi naman si talong. Gusto